Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about show hidden lines option in Revit. So here you can see in the 3D view I have a floor, beam and some walls. In the floor plan you can see I have the floor and the beam hidden line and wall hidden line. And if you see the properties bar, you can see under graphics you can see an option called discipline. Now it is set to structure, and below show hidden lines, now it is set to by discipline. We are having three options to show hidden lines. The first one is none, so no hidden line will be shown. The second one is by discipline. Now this discipline, now it is reading from discipline option. Currently now it is set to structural. In case if I change this to architecture, then no hidden line is showing. In case if I set this to structure, then again I can see the hidden lines. And another option is all, so all the hidden line by default I'm going to see it. We have some option to override by element. For example, the discipline, in case if we change this to architecture, and the show hidden line if it is set by discipline, then you can see there is no hidden lines showing. But if you go to view and take show hidden line by element option, then select the floor and select the beam. So this is how you can turn on hidden lines. But this thing is not working well in all the time. For example, I'm going to select the floor again and I'm trying to select the wall and I'm unable to select. So this is not working with all the element. So let's see. Currently I have all this wall attached to the floor. Let's detach. Now it is detached. Let's select all the wall and let's do a join geometry. Now it is joined. If I try again show hidden line, select the floor and then select the wall. Okay, we have to select the floor and then we have to select the wall. Select the floor and select the wall. Select the floor and select the wall, and I can see them now. So this is how we can turn on hidden line by element. I can see some graphics. So here you can see it looks like these walls are not joined properly. Let's go to modify and trim them. I can't trim. In case if you have any issues like this, then you can override by line. Let's go to line work, go to view, go to modify and then select line work. Here you select invisible line and I have to make this edge as invisible, and I have to move it here. Select this line as invisible. You can select this line as invisible, select this line as invisible. Now it looks fine. So hidden line with Revit, actually it's kind of tricky, but once you know the concept how it works, then it is easy to do it. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.